G'day viewers. As I stated a couple of days ago, I'd show the best design I've come up for a drive motor. This is scalable. It could be made very tiny or very big into the megawatt range. It is fully scalable, and what it is a 6-phase axial flux motor. It's a little bit designed different to most motors. It's got way more torque. It features a center movable, that part there that spins around either direction depending on how it's programmed. But on the outside you've got your two field coil sets which look like this, and the rotor even looks like that. And as you can see, the phases are A, B, C, D, E and F. This is a very efficient design. I proposed this years and years ago, and an engineer he was, how can you say, just fixated on 3-phase motors, told me I was stupid and all that sort of shit. Anyway, if you look at the Koenigsegg car, the hypercar that Koenigsegg make, their electric hypercar, blow me down, as almost identical to my design. I didn't count their rotor poles, but if you listen to old Nikola Tesla, he said 369. That's one of his clues that he gives out, and as you see, there's 9 coils, 3 phases to the rotor, 6 phases all told. This motor is actually designed to go into space. This is what I want to use to drive my mechanical energy to inertial energy converter. That's another crazy design I've come up with, and that's the part I've actually tested. I've built a physical thing, and no, I'm not going to show anybody. I'm really disappointed in the entire country that I live in. I've got no recognition here. No one wants to know me. They all want to put crap on me. So the only thing I can do is take this overseas and get it developed. This isn't the big thing. The big thing is the mechanical to inertial generator, and I'll never show that to you. You can torture me to death. I'll rather not give it up, thanks. I haven't got much time left on this earth, so yeah. Anyway, the main point I'm coming in here is that if you come up with a good design, you know, people are just going to crap on you and they'll try and rip you off, and they're just basically anti-productive unless it's something in them for them. So where we're going to go from here is we're going to build a full-size, a full remote control working model of the mechanical to inertial generator. It's an inertial drive system. In other words, it's an electric rocket motor, and people said it can't be done. I'll tell you something. Lord Kelvin, one of the smartest men of his time, he said no heavier than air aircraft will ever fly. Now you see, he was stuck in his old way of rote learning and thinking, and he wasn't open to any new ideas. Sorry about the shaky video. I can't find my normal camera at the moment. It's only a little tiny thing. It goes on this camera stand, and there's me postie bike. The postie bike's going. I've got to get rid of that. The whiteboard is going. We'll be going full digital. I can do better drawings on digital, of course, in CAD and that sort of thing. But yeah, this is a revolutionary drive system, and we'll just see where we take it from there. Probably going to have to export this to China, and that means they will make parts for me, but also then they've got the intellectual property. It's a bit of a shame because this is worth a little bit more than $1 billion if you know what it can be used for. This is, in the right scaling, this would have more thrust than a Saturn V rocket. So anyway, I told people I'd give you a bit of a look at it. Think in terms of frequency, vibration and energy. So old Nikola Tesla, he was right. This is, I read a lot of his books, and I've studied his work for over the last 50 years, for more than 50 years. I've built a few of his designs and they all worked as he stated and how they worked. And he stated how you could improve them. I tried his improvements and yes, they worked. That he didn't have the technology, unfortunately, to realise all his designs, but I do. After nearly 100 years since Tesla was at his prime, we've got amazing technology, all thanks to his groundbreaking research and development back in from about 1890 onwards. So there you go. I showed you my design, and let us know in the comments. If you don't have the knowledge to assess it, ask an electrician, ask an electrical engineer, ask anybody with the sufficient knowledge and experience, and they will tell you that this will work. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment. Love to hear your thoughts. See ya.